Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, November 6th, our word of the day is broach. B-R-O-A-C-H. Broach. Broach is a 6-letter word and a verb. Remember, verbs are words that show action, occurrence, or state of being. Broach means to begin a discussion of something difficult. In other words, to bring up or introduce a sensitive issue. If your best friend has a severe phobia of spiders, you might want to delicately broach the topic of your new pet tarantula, Mr. Fuzzy. Similar words include bring up, hint at, touch on, approach, introduce, mention, propose, submit, suggest, begin. Examples of sentences using broach are: I felt uncomfortable, but after 2 weeks of waiting for repayment, I decided to broach the subject of the outstanding loan. The report fails to broach some important questions. Now, popular magazines regularly broach the subject. He decided not to broach the subject of divorce until his wife had recovered from her illness. I will broach your idea to the committee. At some point we've got to discuss money, but I don't know how to broach the subject with him. Make sure to save this new word, broach, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.